Hello, my friend. Have you ever asked yourself, what if it's possible? Think of something you would like to manifest in your life, whether it's more money, you'd like to travel, ask for a raise, start a business, find a partner, whatever it is. And it can be something small. You'd just like to get a new pair of runners or shoes or an outfit. Think of something you'd like to manifest in your life. Now, ask yourself, what if it's possible? See, so often we're like, oh, I would love to be able to do this. I would love to have that. I would love to go there or meet this person. And we can visualize it and feel into it and even feel really good about it. But there can be a little part within that, the ego mind or the unconscious conditioned self that says, yeah, but that's not possible. But what if it is? When you ask yourself, what if it's possible? The what if bypasses the resistance of your ego mind. It is what you're looking to create or manifest in your life. And saying possible over and over again opens up your energy field. It opens up your mind, your consciousness to new ideas, to what's possible. When you say, what if it's possible, like a mantra, over and over and over again, it bypasses the resistance of the ego mind, any excuses, any experiences from the past that can come up. And your mind will start to say, well, what if it is possible? And this will happen. If you say this enough like a mantra, what if it's possible? 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 You'll notice one day your mind will go, it's possible, it's possible, it's possible. When that happens, you have aligned with your dream, with your desire, with your idea. And then it's just a matter of time. See, when you dream something, so you have an idea or a vision for something, and you see that in energetic form, so you're feeling into an energetic form, you magnetize that with your emotions. It's actually taking form, but it's in the energy field. It has taken form, it's got energetic form. So the more you believe it's possible, start by saying, what if it's possible? Then you believe it's possible. Now you're focusing on that. You're magnetizing that with uplifting emotional energy. The more you do that, it's just a matter of time until you actually manifest that into your life, into your physical reality. And when you say, what if it's possible, over and over again, like a mantra, and you continue to say that, and your mind starts to say, it's possible. Know that it's just a matter of time until that very thing you desire will actualize into your life. It is possible. It is possible, my friend. As we go into light language, imagine something your heart desires, you would like to actualize into your life, bring into your life. And allow light language to support you with creating that and actualizing that into your life. So shokabasa wala sa shoko babaka awala sa so shokabasa wala ka tukabase babaka awala sa so shokabasa wala ka wala sa shoko babaka awala sa so shokabasa wala ka tukabase babaka wala sa shoko babaka awala sa sushokabasawala ka tukabase babaka. There you go, my friend. Namaste.